Ever wondered why you or they snore, but others don't? Is it a habit among us or not? Here's the answer. When we sleep, throat muscles relax. If the airway narrows, air vibrates soft tissues like the uvula, and that makes noise. Plus, your genes matter to change jaw shape, tongue size, nasal structure runs in the family. Kids may snore due to enlarged tonsils or allergies, while adults snore because of age, weight gain, alcohol, or sleeping on their back. If you want more interesting information on different things, have you any idea in your mind, then hit that subscribe button and tell me about your idea in the comments.